Want to use Instagram's built-in repost feature? First, update the Instagram app to the latest version. Open Instagram and scroll through your home feed. Below each post, you'll now see a repost icon between the comment and share buttons. Tap the repost icon to send that post straight to your followers' feeds and add it to your profile's reposts tab. If you'd like to add your own commentary, tap the small profile icon that appears on the left after tapping repost. Type your message and tap save. Your comment will float over the repost when your followers see it. Reposting Reels works the same way. In the Reels tab, tap the repost icon on the right, then optionally tap your profile icon to add a caption before sharing. All of your reposted content lives in a new Repost tab on your own profile. Just tap the repost icon at the top of your profile to view everything you've shared. To reverse a repost, long press its thumbnail and choose Delete Repost. If this helped you, tap like, share your favorite repost tip in the comments, and subscribe for more quick Instagram tutorials.